Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Now last time we used the letter S from my acronym SLOW, S-L-O-W, as a means to redo my mom cave. The S stands for seeing your successes and staying the course. Now if you missed that video, click on the link above and that will take you to part 1 of my mom cave makeover. Now today we're going to do a little bit of Valentine DIYing. Now normally I don't do a lot of decorating for Valentine's Day, but since I am redoing my mom cave / craft room, I needed a memo board of some sort. So I'm repurposing an old rusty Valentine's Day cake tin that I had laying around and making it into a really cute farmhouse inspired magnetic memo board. So are you ready to get your crafty on? Let's get started. I've had this heart-shaped cake pan kicking around for years. After making a couple of Valentine's Day cakes with it when I first got it, it got put away and forgotten about, until now. And as you can see, it's in pretty rough shape. It's kind of rusty and a little bit dented, but that's okay for this DIY. If you don't happen to have one on hand, you can probably pick one up at a yard sale. Now I'm just going to coat it with some of my famous chalk paint, and this is the color Adirondack White. And the reason I love the chalk paint is because there's no prep work. You don't have to sand off the rust, you don't have to do anything like that. It's really thick, really sticky, and it covers really well. Make sure to cover all the surfaces, including the inside and the rim. I'm also going to be painting the back as well. Don't worry about coverage right now because we're going to put at least another coat on it. Let the first coat dry, but if you're impatient like me, you can use a hairdryer to speed up the process. Then I'm going to put on a second coat and repeat the same process. Let dry after the second coat as well. Now I'm going to paint the back side. If you know which direction you're going to hang this up, you probably don't need to do both sides, but mine was in pretty rough shape, so I thought I would do the back side as well. Again, we're going to put 2 coats on, letting dry in between each one. Now that both sides are painted with 2 coats of the chalk paint and dried, you have to decide which way you want to face your magnetic memo board. The possibilities are endless. Well, actually there's only 2 possibilities, right side up and right side down, but the way you decorate it definitely is endless. Once you decide which way you want to have it, find some pretty ribbon that you like. You can use Valentine's Day ribbon, bright ribbon, whatever matches your decor. I decided to use this burlap with lace just because I like the farmhouse look. And we're going to wrap it around the outside edge. I'm starting at the tip or the point of the heart, and I'm going to try to push the ribbon right up into that little lip that's around the pan, gluing as I go. As you go, we're also going to add a little bit of hot glue down the side and press the ribbon flat against the side of the pan. Then we're going to attach it, the little bit that overhangs, to the front with a little bit of hot glue. Repeat all the way around the heart. Stop when you get to the bumps or the 2 humps at the top of the heart, because that's going to be a little bit trickier. Once you get up to the top where the bumps of the heart are, it's going to be a little bit trickier to lay your ribbon flat. So I just took a pair of scissors and kind of cut it right where it sticks out a bit. And then the pieces will overlap each other and you won't really be able to see the seam at all. Now I decided to give mine a little pop of color, and especially for Valentine's Day, I found this cute XOXO ribbon that had a bit of red coloring on it, so I thought I would glue it across the top. Next I made 2 of these little twine flowers, and if you want to know how to make those, click on the link above and that will take you to the tutorial on how to make the flowers. So again, just I'll use a little bit of hot glue to attach the ribbon and the flowers. Now you're going to need some magnets for your magnetic memo board, and I just happened to get these beautiful Ray Dunn glass magnets for Christmas that have some inspirational sayings on them, and one of them was love. Perfect. You can use command strips or just some push pins to attach your memo board to your wall. And remember, if you could be anything in the world, be yourself. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and in the comments section below, let me know if you decorate your home for Valentine's Day. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Stay tuned Friday for part 2 of the Craft Room Mom Cave Makeover.